Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your passcode for a Linen wallet application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your Linen wallet application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into the account. After you are signed into the main homepage, tap on the settings button at the lower right hand corner. Now, under the settings menu, you will be able to see the change passcode option. Simply tap on it and enter the Linen wallet passcode that you're currently using. After you do that, you'll get to create a new passcode and set it up for your wallet. Type in your new passcode and then confirm it by retyping it again. Soon after it's done, you will be able to change your passcode for Linen wallet. Now every time you log out of the wallet, you'll need to type in the new passcode that you just created to enter your wallet. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.